Hi everyone and welcome back. So now we can see our application is working fine. Here we can move to these different routes. Okay, now what we will do is whenever we are moving to these different routes, we don't know sometimes what happen if this hire me routes is giving some error, right? And that route is not getting published. Then how we notify a user that something wrong has happened, right? It's not a client side rendering. When you click on it, we are actually downloading the JavaScript content from server and then displaying this, right? So what happen if there is some error occurred, right? So for that we can actually use NProgress. That is a module which is coming from Next router itself. So what we will do is we will add this in the layout. We have to install it NProgress module for our application. What we will do is npm install --save. This is main dependency. This kind of a thing is available in almost all framework. Whenever the route is getting changed, you can actually track the progress, can show some kind of a loader and all, right? So same thing we can do here. So here first we will get router. Okay, router also we can get from next router, and here we can do on route change start. It should be router.onRoute change start. So whenever the route navigation started, we can actually start this NProgress. We can start this loader whenever the route change is starting. This should be one start method. And whenever the route change is done, route change is done or route change is giving some error, then we have to stop it. This is the only thing which we are doing. NProgress.done, NProgress.done. Either the route change is completed or while doing the route navigation we are getting error. We have to stop this loader, right? On route change start, it should be route change start, that is correct. Okay, it is not loading, but that is fine. So now what we need to do, that's it. So whenever we load our application, here we can also console.log our URL, whatever the URL we are navigating to. Okay, this download is taking time. Now we got this dependency NProgress. Router, head and link we already have from Next.js. Now we should be able to run this. Okay, NProgress start. This is fine. Now if I try to run this code, you can see some kind of a loader is there, right? On the top right. So this is the default loader which is available for this kind of application. So this is a nice behavior when you wanted to load the application, right? Okay, so this you can use for your application. Whenever the route is getting changed, route change is started, start the loader. Once the route change is completed or some error occurred, stop the loader. Here you can do a lot of things. You can notify the user, you can do console.log, you can do the debugging. All these things can happen in these 3-4 lines. Okay, this is an important aspect because we are writing server-side rendered component and we have to track the errors and all.